So far, the state has decided where 2/3 of its $1.25 million in CARES Act money will go. Well, tonight, MTN's chief political reporter Mike Dennison takes a closer look at the status and intended purpose of that money.
Governor Bullock said Wednesday his administration has allocated $822 million of Montana's federal CARES Act money to mitigate impacts of the coronavirus pandemic. But only about $100 million of that money has actually been distributed. The governor said two reasons for this gap is because the state is awaiting more information from 900 grant applicants and has had to weed out another 750 duplicate applications.
Department of Commerce moved quickly through thousands of applications while still maintaining strong verifications and internal controls, and is completely caught up with the deluge of applications.
So where's the money going? About $300 million is for local governments to cover COVID-19 related costs, but only $32 million is out the door so far. Bullock said his administration is just now reviewing a second round of local government requests. Another $125 million is set aside for loan deferments for businesses hit by the pandemic. There's also $75 million for schools to help them with reopening costs, $75 million for state government, and $40 million for mental health and substance abuse programs. These totals don't include $61 million in business stabilization grants that have already been handed out to thousands of small businesses. Republican Senate Majority Leader Fred Thomas of Stevensville says he's not impressed. He says the Bullock administration has had this money since April and should have distributed $400 to $500 million by now. As he put it, this money is not for Christmas. It's meant for the current right now economy. Yet Bullock says the money is meant to last for the entire year, and he wants the state to be able to respond to needs as they arise.
Because we know that things have rapidly changed throughout the pandemic, and it's clear that the virus is still presenting significant challenges to our health and safety, as well as our economic stability. We have to ensure that we have the resources to weather the next 6 months.
Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
Thanks so much, Mike.